Hey, morning everybody out there. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today I'm assembling a new security light for around the house. At home, we have some of these. They're LED basically panels that have motion detection. They've got a battery built in. They charge from the sun, that kind of thing. Well, one of them started acting up and it won't stay on. So we ordered a new one from off Walmart.com. This is the XK100 model. It's kind of neat because a lot of them, it was all in one, where the battery and then the solar panels on top, and then then the panel for the LEDs on the bottom and all that. But this one seems to be designed a little better. It's got the external solar panel that mounts on the bracket itself. It kind of goes on the house like this, so it sticks up a little bit, and it's pretty damn bright. Pretty cool. I'm looking forward to getting it installed and getting it set up. It wasn't that expensive either. I think this one was less than, seems like it was 40 or 50 bucks. But as long as they last, and we made sure to get the extended warranty. The one that this is replacing was 1 year and about a week or two, into its lifespan, and of course the factory warranty ran out at 1 year. So now it's like, so this one we got the 3-year extended warranty. I think it was only $7, and it's well worth it. Instead of having to buy another light for 50 or 40 or 50 bucks, you can do the extended warranty and they'll send you a new one. So we always try to get that on electrical appliance items from Walmart because it does help. But like I say, so it should go in this evening and replace that other one. It's kind of cool. This one's got a lot more. They've come a long way. We have some that are probably 8 or 10 years old that are not very fancy, but like I say, they're getting better at making these, and hopefully they'll last longer too. So you never know. Like I say, always something going on here at Jets PC. Come on by and see us. We've got gaming PCs. We've got work or school laptops and desktops. We've got Linux boxes. So come on by. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.